Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just want to show you the easy, simple setup for you to do cooking vlogs with a best tripod. One of the best tripod, I can say. This tripod is 1200 rupees. Okay, and actually, this is not the just tripod. This is for basically a soft light stand come tripod. So I'll be showing you the full product. But now I have been using this for something like not for the cooking videos, but this I'm using for the unboxing videos in the indoor conditions. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You may have heard this about this pocket size camera from the DJI popular brand, and this is the 11-inch tripod, you can say. And this got the screw here. With the screw you can attach the camera and do the videos. Yeah, see here, there is the screw here, right? And there is the screw here, right? So with this you can mount the camera, but leave about this camera. And this also has the mobile holder, means the people who doesn't have that sort of cameras, you want to record the videos, the cooking videos with the phone, right? Whether it is on the vertical side or whether it is on the horizontal side, still you can record the videos with this. But yeah, this has some slightly, because you can do this angle instead of the top down. You can use this angle, but you can keep this on the countertop of the kitchen and you can record. For now I'll be showing you like this, right? See, this is the Burner BE Essential Stainless Steel cooking kadai, which is of 2.5 liters. This is 3 liter pigeon pressure cooker, aluminum. Yeah, these are the products, and this product is the soft light, right? That is what I mentioned, right? I'll be showing you that one also. Yeah, this is the actual product. You can just screw it here, this light, and you can record the video. Yeah, see here, I just screw the light, right? So at the top the lighting will be focusing on the subject area where you're doing the cooking, and here you can record the videos in the vertical or the horizontal way. And there are three options, right? You can change the light here: soft light, some warm light. Yeah, here you can adjust the modes. The only disadvantage is you can plug into your laptop, then you can give the power. So that is the only disadvantage. You can screw this in the horizontal way also, means right now this is in this direction, right? You can use it in this horizontal direction also. In this way you can do some cooking explainer video, and you can decrease the height and adjust the height up to 11 inches. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. If you want to know more details about this, just check in the description, and also in the view products I'll be tagging this product. Yeah, see, I said you can also use this tripod for the unboxing videos, right? See here, this is the unboxing video. This is the indoor only. When you want to unbox and show the full details of any product, this would be easy. Means the top down shot only, the same top down videography. Every details you can explain by unboxing with both of your hands. And this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this fan is the cool BLDC fan which I am unboxing. So if you want this video, just check in the description. You can get to know how the quality is, means how the unboxing video is. Just you can check in the description. Yeah, you can find this. This is all metal. Okay, this tripod stand is all metal and plastic adjustments. Yeah.